everyone, this is Charu, legal intern at Lexis and Company. This video is about mistakes in law. There are two types of mistakes which a normal person can do according to law: mistake of law and mistake of facts. In general, the mistake of law is no defense to the violation of the law. It is presumed that all people know and understand the law of the land except minors, lunatics, or insane people. There are a few other rare exceptions to this rule. A mistake of fact can be an exception in reducing or eliminating the liability of the person. A person cannot escape his liability for intentional mistakes. A criminal defendant can argue that he or she never intended to commit the crime. The criminal act that occurred as a result of the mistake of fact as per the situation demands or misunderstanding. Such exception is only allowed when there is a mistake of fact but the mistake of law is not considered as a defense. A mistake of fact arises when a person does any act but misunderstood some fact that negates an element of the crime. A mistake of fact as a defense applies to various crimes if the criminal defendant can prove that he does the act due to a mistake or fact or misunderstood some facts that negates an element of the crime. For example, let's take his Labrador to the park every day so that he can play off leash with other dogs. One day, A lost sight of his dog for a few minutes. Well, he relocated the dog and walked towards the home. At home, he noticed a mark on the dog and came to the conclusion that it is not his dog. He mistakenly took some other person's dog with him. Here, A will not be liable because he gets the defense of mistake of facts. In general, mistake, whether of fact or of law, is no defense to the action of tort. When any person willfully interferes with the rights of others, he has no defense that he believed that his actions were justified. Likewise, no one under a mistake of fact defames someone or enters anyone's property. If it is repeatedly told to an individual that it is not his property, he could not take it. It would no longer be a reasonable defense for him. For example, A and B are playing games on laptop in B's house. At the time A leaves, he took the laptop from the table believing that it was his laptop. B repeatedly told A that it was not his property and belonged to him. If then also A leaves with B's laptop, in that situation A cannot take the defense of mistake of fact. The mistake of fact can be used as a defense due to mens rea as one of the important essentials. The mistake of fact must be honest and reasonable, that is bona fide in nature. A defendant cannot claim later that he or she was under the mistake of fact when he or she actually knew about the situation. For example, A jokingly hit on B's head from behind, assuming him as C, his friend. Here, A can take the defense of mistake of fact as his act can be taken as a reasonable act because he was standing behind B and honestly assumed B as C. This phrase means a defense of mistake of fact can be excusable, but the defense of mistake of law is not excusable. It is assumed that every person knows the law of the country he resides in. If a person says, "I do not know the laws" and does the act, it is not excusable. However, if a person did a wrongful act by mistake of fact with a good intention and honest belief that he is bound to do, he may be excused. Let's take two situations in this case. Situation 1. A is 17 years old. is 17 years old and he went to buy wine from the wine shop. B, the owner of shop, honestly believed that A was above 18 years of age and as per law, 18 plus person can legally have wine. C, a policeman caught B for illegally selling wine to a child. Here, B can take advantage of the mistake of fact because he honestly believed A to be 18 plus. Situation 2. A has possession of a rifle without a license. B, a policeman, caught him. He asked for the defense of mistake of law, that is, he was unaware of the law. Here, A does not get any defense because it is assumed that every person knows the law of land he resides in. Now let's see about good intention. The word good intention or good faith means the act is done with due care and proper attention. It also includes the genuine beliefs of a person. The burden of proof lies upon the accused who wants to take the shelter of good faith. For example, A enters on one way from the wrong side. B, a police officer, caught him. He pleaded the mistake of fact because he was unaware that it was a one way. Here, A does not get the defense because he should take proper care and attention, as there was a signboard present on the road which a reasonable man can easily see. In general, the mistake of law is no defense to a violation of law. It is presumed that all people know and understand the law of the law except minors, lunatics, and insane. There are few other rare exceptions to this rule. On the other hand, the mistake of fact can be considered as a defense if a person does any act which he honestly believed to be justified by law. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like this video, comment your feedbacks and subscribe to Lex Click for more legal stuff.